couple weeks ago, Eric and Seth came to me and asked me to speak to the panel about do-it-yourself education, and that's great, and I'm going to do that tonight. And my plans at that time was to talk about lynda.com and the content of it, because we use that as a do-it-yourself education. As I got thinking about what I would say, I've changed it and taken it up to how we use lynda.com. Okay, and so to do that, I'd like to share with you a model. It's not the model. It's a model we're living into within AFSC, within our Star Cafe, which is our virtual team space. And it's built on a lot of principles that are common here. So those of you who've watched the TED Talk about Sal Khan and the Khan Academy, it's very awesome, fantastic. A lot of things came from those same principles of what's happening in the active learning environment and the use of technology and the online resources that are there. There's so much resources there, but how do you sort it out? But more importantly is how do you take and learn something, and you learn in lots of different ways. And I like to learn, as an individual, but sometimes I can learn as an individual better, not alone, but in a small group. And the thing we're trying to work on within our learning organization is how do small groups work together? How do they learn together? And how can technology help that learning process and that connectivity? So I invite up to 5 of you to, if you want to join into an experiment of this, send me an email, read this star point, and you got 3 assignments to do. Is to watch the TED Talk I'm talking about, and then watch the lynda.com story, and as well as watch this video. And when you feel that you've got all those, and you understand the concepts that are in there, then we meet next Tuesday at 2 o'clock, and we'll have an audio conversation, and we may not know each other before that, but we'll talk about what did we learn, and share that knowledge and get to know each other and make a connection. And so we think this model has great potential. We've been experimenting with different pieces of it and coming at it from different angles, and but this is where we're at the moment, and this is what we're living into, this model, which we call scale model. That's it.